Students, so today we are going to see one more method of integration by partial fraction. If our integrand is in the form of rational fraction means in the form of px by q of x, where p of x and q of x both are polynomials. Okay? So if our integrand is in this form, then using partial fraction, first we will split this into sum or difference of two or more than two rational fractions and then we can integrate. So if our fraction is in the form of px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b, where a and b are not equal, means both factors are different. So if denominator has linear factor and it is different, they are different, non-repeated, then its partial fraction will be in the form of 1 upon a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. This fraction can be reduced in this form and then we will integrate these fractions. It can be integrated easily. Okay? So let's see some examples. If you want to integrate 2x upon x minus 1 into x minus 2, so first we'll find its partial fraction. So the first thing we'll see, factors of denominator are linear or quadratic. So here factors are linear. There are some different cases. So one case is when factors are linear and non-repeated. Means both factors or more than, if more than two factors are there, factors are different. Then important thing is this fraction should be proper. This fraction is called proper if degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. If degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, then it's called proper. Otherwise improper. Means its degree is equal to its degree or its degree is more than its degree. Then fraction will be improper. So first we have to convert to proper fraction and then integrate. So here it is proper because its degree is less than its degree. Okay, so its form will be 2x upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 can be written a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2. Okay? Now, next person will be just simplify this to take LCM. LCM will be x minus 1, x minus 2. Then simplifying this, we get a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Then both sides denominator is the same, so it can cancel. So we get 2x is equal to ax minus 2a plus bx minus b. Now we rearrange these terms. So all the terms which contain x together. So from this x taken common, and here minus 2a minus b. Now we will compare both sides. So comparing coefficients of x and constant term. Then we get comparing both sides. Comparing both sides means we compare coefficients of x and constant terms. So here x coefficient 2, x coefficient a plus b. So a plus b will be 2. Then minus 2a plus minus b. Minus 2a minus b is constant and here constant term is 0. Absent, so it is 0. So from this we can say b equal to minus 2a. Now after solving this two equations, we will find values of a and b. So b is minus 2, so this value put here. So we get a and b is minus 2. So minus 2 equal to 2. So minus a will be 2, a is minus 2. If a is minus 2, then if a is minus 2, then your b will be minus 2 into a. Means minus 2 into minus 2 will be 4. So now our fraction becomes 2x upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to a is minus 2 plus b, which is 4. 4 upon x minus 2. So our fraction becomes like this. Now value of integration of 2x upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 will be integration of minus 2 upon x minus 1 plus 4 upon x minus 2. So its integration will be minus 2 as it is. The integration of 1 upon x minus 1 will be log of x minus 1, and x quotient is 1, so denominator as it is 1. Here 4 into integration of 1 upon x minus 2 will be log of x minus 2. Again quotient of x is 1, so this is our integration of 2x upon x minus 1 into x minus 2. ठीक है? Okay, बेटा. Now question is integration of 1 minus x square upon x into 1 minus 2x. Now here, if you see the degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is x into minus 2x, will be minus 2x square means here degree also 2. ठीक है? So degrees are same, means it is proper fraction. So first we will convert to proper. So there are two conditions, है ना? If degrees are same, then there are two methods in which we can convert this into proper fraction. So if degrees are same, then what we can do? Its partial fraction will be, okay, same thing is here, a upon one linear factor plus b upon other linear factor. ठीक है? Then here with the coefficient of x square, highest term is highest power of here x is 2, so its coefficient is minus 1. Here coefficient of highest power of x, that is minus 2, है ना? So upon minus 2, it means its partial fraction will be minus 1 upon minus 2 means 1 upon 2 plus a upon first linear factor plus b upon second linear factor. So this will be partial fraction for this fraction. Now this you can solve. Same process. Take LCM. LCM will be 2x and 1 minus 2x. Dividing 2 by 2 to cancel out, then we get x into 1 minus 2x. Same thing here, x cancel out, then we get 2 into a into 1 minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x cancel, then 2x into b into 2bx. Now denominators, these are same, so this cancel out and you get 1 minus x square upon 1 is equal to here x into 1 minus 2x square plus 2a minus 4ax plus 2bx upon this 2. Now 2 will remain here. Many times we make this mistake, we cancel out denominators and we forget about this constant. This 2 multiplied here you get 2 minus 2x square is equal to, here you can arrange all the like terms. So x square only one term is there in x minus 4x and 2bx. So from this x second common we get 1 minus 4a and here 2 plus 2a constant. Now comparing like terms, we get minus 2x square minus 2x, the same thing is there. Then here x coefficient 1 minus 4a plus 2b, and here x coefficient, x term is missing here, so its coefficient is 0. Then constant term 2a and here constant term 2. So this will give a equal to 1. So when put a equal to 1 in this equation, so it is 2 from 1 and 2. A will put here 1 minus 4 plus 2b equal to 0. So b will be minus 4 plus 1, 3 will come here plus 3 upon 2. So b is 3 by 2. So our fraction becomes 1 minus x square upon x into 1 minus 2x will be 1 upon 2 plus a, which is 1 upon x plus b, which is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 1 upon 1 minus 2x. Okay, so our fraction becomes like this. Now integration I will be integration of half plus integration of 1 upon x plus integration of 1 upon 1 minus 2x. So its integration will be half x, its integration log of x plus 3 by 2 as it is, integration of 1 upon 1 minus 2x will be log of 1 minus 2x, and the x coefficient is minus 2, so that will come in the denominator plus 1 constant. So it is half times of x plus log of x by 2 into minus 2 will be minus 3 by 4 log of 1 minus 2x plus c. This is the integration of 1 minus x square upon x into 1 minus 2x. So here this fraction is improper, but degrees are same, right? So one thing can be just divide coefficient of highest power of x by highest power of coefficient of highest power of x. That connect first, and then a unknown upon any linear factor plus b unknown upon linear any other linear factor. ठीक है, like this we can solve.